What are functions? A mathematical model is a way to solve an application. There are 5 types of mathematical models that we will use in our grade 11 and grade 12 math courses: trigonometric functions, polynomial functions, exponential functions, logarithmic functions, and rational functions. Let's take a look. Each of the 5 types is called a function. A function is a mathematical rule that gives a single output number represented by a dependent variable for every valid input number called an independent variable. The independent variable can influence change in the dependent variable. Think of it as input, something happening with the input, and output coming from the calculation. A function can be expressed in one of 4 ways. These 4 ways are: in words, we shall call that verbally. For example, x multiplied by 3, the result added to 4. As an equation, we will call this algebraically y equals 3x plus 4. As a graphical representation, visually, and as a table of values, numerically. You will learn these 4 ways in this module. Aren't you excited? Now, let's look at the graphical representations for each type of function we talked about in the first part of this video. The trigonometric function would have an equation y equal to sine x, and it would look like this. Next, the polynomial function, poly means many, nomial terms, many terms. We could have a linear function, a quadratic function, or a cubic function. And of course, you know there are many others. An exponential function, y equals a times b to the exponent x. Notice in this type of function, the variable x is the exponent. This shows the graphical representation and the numeric representation. Next, we have the logarithmic function, which looks like an upside-down exponential function. And here we have a rational function. In this lesson, you will look at a type of polynomial function called a linear function. Let's get started. On to the next video.